What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel for another video with the boosted S10 here. Today we're gonna try to work on finding a possible vacuum leak. I got this kit that I bought yesterday. It's supposed to be a smoke test just to make sure that surgeon is not anything. So today we're gonna take this off, smoke the intake, see if it comes out anywhere, and go from there on if that's a tune for sure or a vacuum leak. And so hopefully this deal is easy to put together. I mean, it looks simple enough, I guess. Some hose. Always gotta have your hose. Can. Whatever. Top, I guess. Yeah. Looks simple enough. And then it just hooks to a battery. I mean, for $100, probably worth it. Try to assemble that deal. Let me bust this stuff off real quick, and then I'll come back to you whenever we get all that going, because it's going to take me a second. It's a little early. I'm moving a little slow. It's like 10 o'clock. It's early for me, so. All right. Let's try to hook this deal up again and see what happens. Let's see if we can see any smoke this time. Well, quick update on it. So it turns out it had two small little leaks. I mean, I don't think it's enough to really make a vacuum leak like that. So right here, that second hole for the injector fuel rail, it came out of there, and it came out like behind the threads on the injector holder back here, the fuel rail back here. So I mean, I guess that's enough to make it do that. I don't know, I hope. I'm gonna put thread sealing on one side, and then the other side I'm just gonna somehow cover that hole, I guess, and try it out. I mean, I did it through here, and I went ahead and took the brake line, the brake booster line off, and I ran it through there backwards, and it still only came out of those two spots, so I'm guessing that that's it. I mean, fuck, I don't know what else. It kind of barely came out through here, but I mean, I don't know. I'm guessing it really is a tune at this point, because I mean, no, I don't know. What else could it be? That's all I would guess. Oh, update. MagnaFuel never, 3 weeks in now, haven't fixed my fuel pump, so called him yesterday, told him, just send that deal back, man. I'm tired of waiting. I ain't got time for that. So shout out to Mike. He's buying. He's gonna sell me his fuel pump. Same pump I had, but he's gonna sell it to me. That way we can make that race. Cause the fuel pump's all I'm waiting on now. I'm gonna fix those two things. Put the fuel pump in this week when I buy it from him, and we'll be out testing hopefully next week. I'm gonna fix those things, put that back on, fire it up, let all the smoke come out. FYI, if you ever use a smoke test, I already cleaned it all up, but it leaves a fucking oil residue everywhere. I didn't know that. I didn't think about that, but I guess it's common sense. Yeah, smoke test, you're gonna have oil in your intake and shit, so be prepared to clean that stuff up. But put all that together. This may probably come back like a day or two. It's Saturday. I don't want to do a whole lot, really. I'm in my fucking trunk clothes out here. About to start drinking beer. Got Dr. Pepper because it's still early, but it's almost beer 30 around here. So put that all back together. May fire it up today. May not. May wait till tomorrow or Monday, but probably a 2-day video. So we'll see. Well, sorry y'all, I suck at videoing. But to get back with where I kind of left off in the last video, you seen me making the pass, left off the trans brake. So yeah, I ended up, like I said in the video, put thread sealer on this side. That side, I just put a little bit of silicone on the RTV on that hole, because I mean, I don't know what else to put back in there. So it works, it idles okay now. I mean, I guess it really was just a vacuum leak. Now the next deal, besides the fuel pump, I still got to pick up. The next thing is I really got to figure out why these keep getting so tangled up and caught up in here. That is annoying as shit. The fact that I can't turn my steering wheel. I really got to figure something out there. But truck runs, it idles, it runs. I did figure out it's got a boost creep. Whenever I left on the trans brake, you know what? Let me get the video. All right, so I figured it'd be better, just easier just to show you. So let's see, we're at 2,600, 4,000. We're at 4 pounds of boost. Let's see. We went to almost 6,000. $9.4 pounds of boost on it after I let off the trans brake right before the shift. That's at the peak right before the shift right there. And I got 5-pound wastegate springs in there. So that means after I let off essentially that means it's boost creeping. So I'm making way more boost than it should be. So either these wastegates are too small, which they're 46 millimeters, 2 of them. So I don't think they're too small, but I think the placement should have been here or something. Yeah, really upsetting to figure that out. Let me zoom in some. Really upsetting to figure out that it boost creeps. I don't know what else to do besides get that remade, and I don't have the money to do that right now. So we're either gonna deal with the boost creep, or I don't know what else to really do. Do that or fix it, and I don't want to fix it right now. I want to go race. So we're gonna have to do something there. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it off there. It runs. We got it to run. It launched off the trans brake. Did good. I mean, next video will come back and hopefully be going somewhere with it. Try not to record no more garage videos after this one. That's boring. I'm trying to get y'all to watch and have more subscribers. So I'm trying to stop with the garage stuff, because we gotta do something more exciting if you're gonna watch YouTube. I wouldn't want to watch somebody sitting in their garage every video. So trying to look out for you. Next video, we're gonna do something more exciting, or at least get outside of the truck whenever we launch it next time. But we'll see you next time. Catch you on the next video.